What do you mean by festivals? Festivals are time for celebration and fun. It is time for sharing and caring. New clothes, sweets, and gifts too. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about festivals. People from all over the world visit India to witness the colorful and joyous festivals celebrated across the country. There are two kinds of festivals: national festivals, religious festivals. So, first, we will learn about national festivals. National festivals are celebrated by the entire nation. These are also known as national days. Our national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day, we hoist our national flag. There is a colorful march past at India Gate. The President of India takes the salute. Next is Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. India became independent on this day in 1947. On this day, the Prime Minister unfurls our national flag at the Red Fort and addresses the nation. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on October 2nd every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of nation. Children lovingly call him Bapuji. Now children, we will learn about religious festivals. These are festivals that celebrated by the people of different religions. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on Diwali. People exchange gifts and children burst crackers on this occasion. Guru Purv. Guru Nanak's birthday is celebrated as Guru Purv. People go to Gurudwara and pray. They eat langar on this day. Next is Eid. On this day, people wear new clothes and go to the mosque to offer their prayers. People have a grand feast with friends and relatives. Next is Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People go to church for prayers. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. People share gifts and cakes with others. Some more festivals are there, that is Dussehra. On Dussehra, we celebrate the victory of good over evil. Now, Janmashtami. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Krishna. Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. Children play with balloons, water, and colors. Next is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is the biggest festival in Maharashtra. This day celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Next festival is Raksha Bandhan. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers and pray for their long life. Brothers promise to take care of their sisters and give them gifts. Next, Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is celebrated as the birthday of the prince Siddhartha Gautama, who was the founder of Buddhism. Children, all these festivals means to offer prayers to the God in order to seek blessings for peace, prosperity and health. Thank you.